The following segment is sponsored by Salt Lake Community College. We have some very exciting news for future business students. Salt Lake Community College's Gail Miller Business School has officially broken ground on a major transformation. Trish is here to tell us all about it. Trish, welcome to the show.
Thanks for having me.
Of course. So it sounds like some amazing things are happening at the business school at Salt Lake Community College. Can you tell us more?
Of course. Well, just last week we had the groundbreaking for our modernized and renovated business building. We're fortunate to have a very generous gift from the Larry H. and Gail Miller Family Foundation, which makes this possible.
I love that. All right, the school is actually named after Gail Miller. Talk to us about that.
Yes, so Gail Miller Business School at Salt Lake Community College. This is the only business school in Utah named after a woman, and one of the very few in the entire country. And of course, we celebrate and recognize Gail's amazing, phenomenal leadership in both her community, our community, and in business.
I love this so much. All right, can you talk about some of the aspects that students will be able to experience at the new school when it opens up in fall 2026?
Yes, so we are emphasizing experiential learning. You can learn business from a book, but you really can't do business without really interacting with others. So we're emphasizing space for study and groups and convening. We're going to have a rooftop event space where we can have celebrations and large conferences. We are going to have an auditorium to gather our classes together and to have speaker series. And we're really excited about, on the first floor, we're going to have actually a main street where student-led businesses can have a storefront and they can actually offer goods and services and really learn about doing business.
This is making me want to apply to business school. So what are some of your other exciting resources or opportunities open to business students right now?
Well, right now, any student who's interested in business or even is already working is welcome to experience many of our different programs. We have programs where you can complete in a couple of years marketing, accounting, financial services, financial planning, paralegal, and then go straight to the workforce. Or if you'd like to continue on and get your bachelor's, we have partnerships with many other schools so that you can start out, get your first couple of years in management, and then go on and get a further education.
And in classic Salt Lake Community College, you truly are taking care of these students. Now let's talk about you for a minute. Okay, I understand you're new to the college as of, the past August. Talk to us about your background and why you're so excited.
Well, I am from a family of educators, but I actually fell in love with business. So I've been very fortunate to work in consulting and in industry before I went into higher ed. Right. But I've also had opportunities to teach at Columbia Business School, Wharton Business School, the University of Utah, all the best schools. But what brought me here really was two things: Gail Miller's values and vision, and also I can really relate to the students here. I was very cash-strapped when I went to school. Right. I cobbled together tuition through scholarships and work and grants and loans, and then I didn't have enough money left over for books. So I used to ask my friends who were really popular, when they'd go out to parties, I'd borrow their books and I'd read while they were out, and then I'd give the book back. So I didn't have to actually find the money for books. And later I went back to school while I was raising my family. So I understand how important it is to respect the fact that people have lots of obligations.
And your story, honestly, is probably so inspiring to others. Thank you so much for using that, and now you're helping these students. For more information, you can check out the website at the bottom of the screen. Trish, again, thanks for being with us.
Thank you.